All right. Do I understand this plate? This plate is up for grabs now.
Yeah.
This fucking plate is up for grabs. This guy wants it. We're organizing a catastrophe here. I look at him. We're getting it all in a straight line. Get it all organized. Are you ready? We're getting ready for this. Oh, here we go. Oh, yes. Yeah, wipe your mouth after that, you fucking idiot. It's on your fucking eyebrows, you moron. Are you satisfied? You're not done. You're not fucking close to being done. Keep going. I still see stragglers on the plate. Look at that meat. Get that meat. God damn it! You're getting your gloves filthy. Stuff it in. Stuff it in until you puke. Stuff it in until you puke. I want to see you shovel the rest of that in your mouth. Come on, dude. The rest of it goes in now. Just like, yes, just wrap it all up. In one consolidated pile, just pack it in. Just pack it in like a champ. You're almost there, man. Look at, you're almost there. Like there's not much left. Finish it up. Finish it up. Oh, you're such a loser. You're a loser. You fail.